Hey, St. Simon and Jude, Coach Keebler here. I'm going to show you how to get onto the Google Classrooms through Edpuzzle. So when you're in Google Classrooms, you'll see physical education for your child. If for some reason you don't have that, please email me. I tried to put in all the classes as a general class of 2020 or 2023, whatever their graduation year was. Not all of them went through. So that's the first thing. Make sure you have a PE Google Classroom, okay? Then when you go into the classroom, you're going to have some assignments. Sorry, my lighting is not perfect. There we go. You're going to have some assignments. I'm going to click on this first assignment, and it's going to have an attachment. Come on, buddy. There we go. It's going to have an attachment with a hyperlink right here. I'm going to touch that. And it's going to give me 3 options. We already have Safari installed, so that's the one we're going to choose. Sign in with Google. So right here, when you sign in with Google, you're going to use, oh, it's not showing me very well. There you go. You're going to see use your child's already given to you email address, SchoolSpeak. So it should be typically first and last name at simonjude.org. Excuse me, at simonjudeschool.org. Okay, and then I'm going to push enter, and it's going to ask me for the password. I'm going to check out the password that is given. It usually is one word, which you should kind of know. I'm not going to say it since it is a password, and then it is a library code. Okay. Then when you open it up, it's going to think, let's see. And then you're going to have the video in there. If for some reason, oh, and there we go. If for some reason you're not linking immediately to the video, you might get a warning sign that says your teacher has to allow you in this room. So my job on the other side of this is I have to import students. So I've imported my students about 6 times today throughout the day, and usually I'll get 1 or 2 stragglers who haven't gotten on yet. So if for some reason you get a warning sign, don't worry. I just need, I need to get on and import you. So I'll definitely do another import tonight. I'll do another import in the morning, but you want to check to make sure you have the St. Simon and Jude Physical Education Google Classroom, and then you need to make sure you can get onto Edpuzzle using your child's simonjudeschool.org email address along with their assigned password. That will get you into Edpuzzle, and that is me. That's how we get YouTube. That's how we show our appropriate videos to your children through YouTube. All right? Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you experience any issues.